Cannot wrap my head around the fact it's taken me this long to finally realize I'm fantastic. I used to write my little raps, they'd always look right past it, like it's average, like I'm not who the fuck
Hey YouTube, it's your gal Cootie back in the house. Oh, you came in the right time. Tea time! So let's spill the tea. Hey you guys, it's your gal Cootie back at it again with another handbag haul. This is actually one of my new collection. Well, not really new, like some of them actually been having. But I hope you guys enjoy it. The huge giveaway is ending soon, so please join. Check the description down below. So let's start. 1. So this is the first item I'm going to show you guys. And this is actually not my first one, but actually my third, probably fourth. Or maybe when I was little I actually had these. But this was not rare. I thought it was rare, but I thought it was really cute, but it's kind of cheap. It's more of like a prop for like, you know, high school. Like you can use it in like scenes or like a show. And I actually did my research on that and found it on Amazon. So here's the second one. This is actually from Spain, and I found it from the thrift store. It's really cute. So look at those little details. I said details. Little details. Like all those beads. So I collect bead handbags. It's a floral. It's a flower. And it still has a price. I still haven't removed it. I've been having it for months. It's just been in stock. And it says handmade right there. So cute. It's like perfect for an evening bag too. Coming in at third. Here we got Maui by Design. This is really cute, and it's a unique piece, I would say, because look at those details, baby. It's so tropical, like it's so, for me, like islander, because I'm islander. And I was like, ooh, it's so beautiful. And my grandpa told me it's actually, the leather of this is actually cow leather. He felt it and he was like, hey, I know this. Because back in the days, he used to make these. Maui by Design. And I actually found this at the Long Beach thrift store. And they sold it for me for cheap. Less than $10, baby. And Grandpa said this would have been more pricey. But, girl, I got it for less than $10. And it can be a shoulder bag. So unique. I love it. I love it. But you can also find it online. People are selling it on eBay. Here's the next one. This baby was actually waiting for me in a long time in Goodwill. Okay. So the story of this was didn't want to buy anything at all. Like I need to save up, I need to budget my money and stop shopping because I'm shopaholic. And there's actually 3 of these, but in different types though. It wasn't this same design, neither the same color. The other ones were like just plainly gold and black, and the other one is just plain black. Yeah, the other one was black and gold, and the other one was just plain black. Here is the last one I actually bought, and I was just so in love with it. I regret not getting the green one. This was way long ago, like, I just didn't buy the green one before, and I was like, so much regret. Somebody bought it. It was like smaller than this though, but this was so beautiful. It was yellow. I was like, my grandma would love that. Like, totally love that. And yes, gal, it is still new. It still has that plastic on the sign, you know, on the label. I was like, the sign, I was like, man, I didn't even know. I went home and I saw it. I was like, oh, it's new. It's beautiful. But you can't put it, it's not a shoulder bag. So yeah, it's a zip up one. It's really beautiful. It's really cute. And it is from France. And actually the other one, if you guys wanted to know about the black one, is actually from London. And this one, this baby right here, is another cute, really cute bag. I was so in love with this one. This is probably my favorite one. I just love the color. It's so me. It's so lovely. God. My goodness, that interior. There is no stain, and actually all of these I bought from the thrift store. Whether from Goodwill or from a local thrift store. So here's the last one. This is actually my favorite. Maybe all of them are my favorite, but this is $5.99 from the local thrift store. And wow, I was just amazed. I was having a good day because of this. Because of this. I actually bought other stuff with that too, like plates. You know, you guys know I love Victorian plates, old plates, 1920s stuff. And this is like 1920s. This actually purse 1920s. And that's all for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a thumbs up and leave a respectful comment down below. And requests for new videos. Let me know if you guys want a question in there. Question and answer video by commenting. Thank you. Come again.